Find the antiderivative of BAM! All right. How is this one different from the previous ones? Yes, it's a composition of functions, which means we need a u-substitution. There are two methods of doing a u-substitution for a definite integral. I'm going to show you one of the two, which I think is easier. Okay? If you want to see the other one, we can. So what's a good u to pick? Close. Yes, so we'll say let u equal x squared plus 4. So this part is just like what we did in 15.2. So that means du dx is 2x. See? Works better. All right, here's the thing. When you're rewriting it in terms of u, everything has to be in terms of u. Well, that now includes the bounds. 0 and 4 are the bounds for x. We would have to find the corresponding bounds for u. Meaning, if x were 0, then that means u equals 0 squared plus 4. Because we just said u was x squared plus 4. So what's u? 4. And the upper bound is 4, coincidentally. So that means u is 4 squared plus 4, which is 20. So the method I'm teaching you is you change everything to u's. Okay. So that makes our new integral. Instead of the integral from 0 to 4, we now have the integral from 4 to 20 of that 2x we keep around times what? U cubed. And then our dx is du over 2x. Yes, it's possible to have your double substitutions. Yeah, it's possible that you don't get the exact derivative in the integrand. You might have a constant left over. So all that stuff is still possible. What happens to your 2x's? They cross out. Oh, it helps if I know how to work this. Bam. Goodbye. So we now have the integral of from 4 to 20 of u cubed du. So now it's like the beginning of this section. If you use this method, you do not have to go back to x. You leave it all in terms of u. The other method, you go back to x, which I think is more work. So that's why we did the complete changing from x to u. It's sort of like in that movie District 51 where he became an alien. Sorry if I ruined it for you. You should have seen it by now. He can't go back. Yeah, but I think he'll be dead by then, so. No. They're not coming back. What is the antiderivative of u cubed? Not the derivative, the antiderivative. 1/4 u to the 4th. So we stick in 20, subtract stick in 4, no parentheses needed because we only have one term here. Yes, you might get a big number. No, do not be afraid. I got 39936. What you got? So again, the process for us, what I did was everything got turned into u's, even the bounds. Rewrite your integral as we did before, including the new bounds, and solve as we've done before already 4 times.